Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you my plank exercise this morning and let's do this. So, pili lang straight plank tayo, straight pivot lang. Gawin mo ang arms. Yung swing yung katawan. Plank is a good total body exercise. Do high plank or palm plank, and do squat plank, and do T plank, and do this while in high plank. Bakit hindi lang. These days, araw-arawin mo lang talaga ang mga exercises. Pinatipid kami mo siya. Kasi lahat ng exercise ko, saglit mo lang siya gawin. Wala din. So, dapat talaga araw-arawin tapos ulit-ulitin mo lang siya gawin. And thank you so much for watching and please follow me. I'll see you in my next exercise.